Good morning everyone, Francine here, leaving Lires. I don't even know what time it is. It's about 9:15 a.m. It's late, but I only have, I don't know, like 15 kilometers to go. It's such a nice little town. And today is the last day of walking. Such mixed feelings. It is raining, of course. I'm gonna end my walk with rain. But that's what the Camino wants. That's what the Camino wants. It's about 16 degrees. I had a lovely night's sleep at Casa Rural. Raul, I think is the name. Casa Raul. It was lovely. I had my private room. It was 35 euros and it was totally worth it. With the view of the church. It was really cool. But yeah, now to find my way. And let's go. If you are going all the way to Muxia, there's this nice rest area at the top of the hill with some cool old school water fountain. Look at this. How cool is that? I don't know if it works. Maybe it doesn't. I walked slower and I let some ladies go because they are singing loudly and they look so happy and I'm happy for them. But I want my peace and quiet, so I let them go so I can enjoy this last day of walk. It's very emotional to be the last day, to know that that's it. Definitely mixed feelings, but I'm ready to go home. I miss Nico so much. And I did learn so much and I processed so many of all the things that I have in my head, so it's really good. Very good therapy for sure. This is no drizzle, it's actual downpour. But it's warm. It's 16 degrees and raining. So I am also sweating. There's lots of little hills. Let me show you guys. So it gets real warm real quick. It's just raining too much to make lots of videos. Down this way, you go to the left. Muxia. Lots of road walk now, but look at this. How gorgeous this is. Wow. The rain finally subsidized a little bit. It's a lot of road walking, but it's so beautiful. And it's not hot, so. Yay! Muxia arrived. All the albergues. It's only 12, So the albergue is not open yet, the municipal. I decided I'm gonna go explore the downtown area, trying to find an open bar to eat something. Yay, the sunshine! Oh no, all the rain messed up my videos. It's all shaky. I'll have to use a lot of photos instead. So as you're walking on the Camino, this is the information center where you get your Muxia, but they do close for siesta as well. It's a beautiful walk all the way up. Too bad I couldn't stabilize my videos. I'll add a couple photos instead. And maybe a few shaky videos too. I hope you guys don't get dizzy. I spent a lot of time here. I actually enjoyed the end at Muxia more than at Finisterre. It was awesome to contemplate, journal, join the mass. Beautiful. Time to go enjoy dinner with my Camino friend. Look how hot this is! Ah! And that's it, folks. Please do like and subscribe and keep watching, and I'll see you guys again soon. Buen camino! Bye!